Hi, good morning friends. In this video, we will see how to install a Open SSH server using Powershell. Okay, so directly we are going to the video. First, we need to open a Powershell in the administrator privilege. Okay, and this is the command we need to execute. Sorry, yeah, dism online add capability name Open SSH server. This is the tab icon 001.0. Anyway, I will include the command in the description so you can easy to copy and paste. dism/online means directly apply to the operating system. We are going to add a new feature. For that thing, add capability. This is the particular capability name. We are going to install the Open SSH server. If it is a client, OpenSSH.client, the tilde symbol, then 0.0.1.0. Let's see what will happen. Enter key. Now it is the installation is going on 5.9%. Now it will take less than 1 minute or maximum 1 minute and few seconds. Once the installation is completed, we can see in the services as well, the Open SSH server and the authentication services will be available here. Now it is not available. That's why I opened the services as well. You can see once refresh, it is not available because the installation is just going on, so it will not be available here. Okay, now we can see the installation progress. It is 49.4%. Within 2 minutes it will be finished in normal case, and based on the operating system and the CPU memory, it will take maximum 1 minute, or at any cost maximum 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes it will be finished. Now it is 94.2%. now it is 100%. Okay, the operation completely successfully. To verify that, we can see in the services. Okay, see here the services. Open SSH only one optimized drivers is available. Okay, I'm going to restart the service, refresh the service, sorry. Now we can see Open SSH server and Open SSH authentication is available. For Open SSH server, we need to start the service, and the startup type depends on our purpose. We need to change it manual or automatic. Based on automatic delay, based on our purpose, we can set it on based on our requirement. Okay, in this way we can install the SSH server using PowerShell mode. Thanks for watching. Thank you.